Imagine wanting to keep your home clean, but every movement feels like a mountain to climb. For many elderly people and those living with disabilities, cleaning is not just a chore, it's a daily battle. But what if I told you there are simple hacks that can make cleaning safe, easy, and even enjoyable again? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you're going to learn life-changing cleaning tricks that will bring back your independence and your smile. Like this video and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more life-improving tips you'll actually use. Now, let's begin. The struggle behind the clean. When we think of cleaning, we often imagine quick dusting, scrubbing, and wiping without much thought. But for an elderly person with arthritis, bending down to scrub floors can feel like torture. For someone with limited mobility, reaching the top shelf to wipe dust can be dangerous. These are not just cleaning problems, they're quality of life problems. This is why safe, smart, and accessible cleaning hacks are so important. Hack 1. The magic of long-handled tools. Let's start with one of the simplest yet most effective solutions: long-handled cleaning tools. Imagine cleaning your floors, windows, or even ceiling fans without ever having to bend down or stretch up dangerously. Tools like long-handled dusters, mops with adjustable poles, and extendable squeegees allow cleaning to happen from a safe, comfortable position. Hack 2. Lightweight cordless vacuums. Traditional vacuum cleaners can be heavy, loud, and difficult to maneuver, but cordless stick vacuums have completely changed the game. They're lightweight, often under 5 pounds, and can easily glide across floors without needing to drag a large machine behind you. Some models even convert into handheld vacuums, making it easy to clean furniture, shelves, or car interiors. For someone with limited mobility, the ability to clean without constantly bending to plug and unplug cables is not just convenient, it's a huge relief. Hack 3. Cleaning while sitting. Who said cleaning requires standing for long periods? A sturdy, adjustable height chair or rolling stool can make tasks like folding laundry, cleaning tables, or washing dishes much more manageable. For elderly individuals or people with joint pain, this reduces fatigue and prevents accidents from overexertion. Hack 4. Natural, safe cleaning solutions. Another concern for elderly and disabled individuals is sensitivity to harsh cleaning chemicals. Strong fumes from bleach or ammonia can trigger respiratory issues or allergic reactions. The safer alternative? Natural cleaners like baking soda, vinegar, lemon juice, and mild dish soap. They are just as effective for most cleaning jobs, whether it's removing stains, deodorizing carpets, or wiping countertops without the health risks. Hack 5. One room a day cleaning method. Cleaning the entire house in one go can be exhausting for anyone, but especially for those with physical challenges. That's where the one room a day method comes in. Instead of pushing yourself to clean everything at once, focus on just one space each day. This keeps cleaning manageable, prevents burnout, and ensures every part of your home stays in good condition without overwhelming you. Hack 6. Non-slip rugs and clear pathways. Cleaning is not just about removing dust, it's about making the home safe. Non-slip rugs prevent falls, especially in areas like the kitchen and bathroom. Keeping pathways clear of clutter means vacuuming or sweeping becomes faster and safer. For those with mobility aids like walkers or wheelchairs, this is especially important to prevent accidents. Hack 7. Robot cleaners, your digital cleaning partner. Technology has gifted us robot vacuum cleaners and even robot mops. For someone with mobility challenges, this can be a lifesaver. You can schedule them to clean at certain times, and they quietly go about their work, navigating around furniture, picking up dust, and even mopping floors. Hack 8. Adaptive cleaning tools. For individuals with arthritis, tremors, or weak grip strength, regular tools can be uncomfortable or even painful to hold. Adaptive cleaning tools have larger, cushioned handles that are easier to grip. Some also have adjustable angles, so you can clean without twisting your wrist. Hack 9. Decluttering, less to clean. One of the most powerful hacks isn't about cleaning at all. It's about having less to clean. By minimizing unnecessary items, you reduce dust collection, make surfaces easier to wipe, and free up space for movement. This is especially helpful for the elderly, where fewer objects mean fewer tripping hazards. Hack 10. Asking for help without losing independence. This is perhaps the most emotional part of our conversation. Many elderly people, or those with disabilities, hesitate to ask for help because they fear losing their independence. But the truth is, asking for help when needed, whether from a friend, family member, or professional cleaner, does not take away your independence. It ensures your safety and well-being, while allowing you to focus on the tasks you can do. A gentle reminder: cleaning is not about perfection, it's about living in a space that feels fresh, safe, and comfortable. For those with physical challenges, the goal should be to clean smart, not hard. Using the right tools, pacing yourself, and adapting your environment can transform cleaning from a stressful burden into a simple routine. If you found these tips useful, hit that like button, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and share this video with someone who might need it. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community. Your small act could make someone's life a whole lot easier, because sometimes the simplest change can bring the biggest comfort.